ensures secure navigation device placement, hands-free driving safety, improved visibility, convenience, stability, and easy access during travel or commuting. My today's video is about top 5 best GPS holders that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at APPS 2-car GPS holders. The spring lock clamp GPS dash holder delivers a highly practical and stable solution for drivers seeking a reliable alternative to windshield mounts. Designed to fit most 3 to 6-inch GPS units and smartphones, it features a spring lock clamp and an anti-slip jello base that firmly grips the dashboard after removing the protective film. Its 1.55 pounds weighted sandbag construction ensures excellent stability, preventing sliding or shaking even on bumpy roads. This makes it especially useful in regions like California, where windshield mounts are restricted. The universal compatibility supports Garmin Nuvi devices and most smartphones, while 5 adjustable slots provide flexible viewing angles for safer navigation. No tools or adhesives are required, making setup quick and hassle-free. However, performance depends on a flat, smooth dashboard, and it is not suitable for tablets or uneven surfaces. Overall, it's a sturdy, legal, and convenient in-car mounting solution for everyday driving needs. Our second product is Milukin GPS holders. This universal mobile phone holder offers a well-balanced combination of practicality, stability, and modern design, making it a reliable accessory for everyday use. Its broad compatibility ensures support for a wide range of smartphone models, providing users with flexibility regardless of device type. The streamlined, minimalistic design allows it to blend seamlessly into a car interior without adding visual clutter, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. Built with a polymer-based adhesive base, the holder delivers strong grip and stability, preventing shaking or slipping even on rough or uneven roads. The multi-angle adjustment system further improves usability by allowing vertical and horizontal positioning for optimal viewing comfort. Beyond automotive use, its versatility extends to office, kitchen, and home environments, functioning as a document stand, recipe holder, or live streaming support tool. Compliant with safety standards and backed by responsive after-sales service, it presents a durable and dependable everyday mounting solution. Our third product is 10 GPS holders. This CarPlay mount holder delivers a highly stable and versatile mounting solution for 7 to 11-inch portable CarPlay screens, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles and devices. Its 8 by 8 centimeters widened base with strong VHB adhesive creates a large contact area with the dashboard, significantly improving grip and reducing wobble during driving. The dual-axis adjustment system allows precise control over height and viewing angle, ensuring comfortable screen positioning for both navigation and media use. With a 360 degrees rotatable ball joint, switching between portrait and landscape modes is smooth and effortless, enhancing usability in different driving scenarios. Constructed from upgraded nylon material, the mount offers flexible durability and a snug fit to various dashboard shapes, without cracking or loosening over time. Proper installation is crucial, requiring a clean surface, firm pressing, and a 24-hour curing period for maximum adhesion and long-term stability. Now number 4, Lancaster GPS holders. This dashboard phone holder offers a practical and reliable solution for drivers who want a stable and organized in-car setup. Its wide compatibility supports most smartphones and GPS devices between 6 to 12 millimeters thickness, including popular iPhone and Samsung Galaxy models, even with protective cases. The standout feature is its strong anti-slip design, combining a silicone textured base with sticky pads that keep the phone firmly in place during sudden braking, sharp turns, or rough roads, significantly improving driving safety. The washable and reusable adhesive base adds long-term value, allowing repeated use after simple cleaning and drying without losing grip strength. Installation is straightforward but requires a clean, flat dashboard surface for best performance, and it is optimized for horizontal viewing only. Additionally, The built-in storage compartment enhances convenience by keeping essentials like keys, cables, and coins neatly organized, making it more than just a phone mount. It's a compact driving organizer. And our last choice is SkyTion GPS holders. The SkyTitan GPS car mount delivers a dependable and highly adaptable solution for drivers who rely on Garmin navigation devices. Its strong, sticky suction cup ensures a firm and stable grip on both windshield and dashboard surfaces, minimizing vibrations and preventing slips even on bumpy roads. The flexible long arm combined with a smooth ball joint allows effortless adjustment between portrait and landscape views, helping drivers achieve the most comfortable and safe viewing angle. Compatibility is a major advantage, with a standard 17 ball mount designed to fit a wide range of Garmin devices, including multiple Nuvi, Drive, Diesel, and OTR series models, making it a versatile choice for many users. However, buyers should carefully check compatibility as it does not support certain newer Garmin models. While the package includes only the suction mount and manual, its solid build, strong adhesion, and flexible positioning make it a practical and reliable GPS mounting accessory for everyday driving use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.